Most people get this wrong. They think all premium credit cards are the same. But the surprising truth is that the HSBC Premier Credit Card offers unique perks that make it stand out for frequent travelers and high spenders. Today, they'll give you an honest review before you apply. First, let's talk rewards. The HSBC Premier Credit Card offers a competitive points system. You earn points on every purchase, with higher rates for travel and dining. Points can be redeemed for travel, gift cards, or cash back. You won't believe what happens next. HSBC allows you to transfer points to popular airline and hotel programs, giving you flexibility to maximize value. Next, perks and benefits. Cardholders enjoy premium travel benefits, including airport lounge access, travel insurance, and concierge services. There's also no foreign transaction fee, which is a huge plus for international travel. Some people overlook these details, but they can save hundreds annually. Fees and eligibility are important to consider. The HSBC Premier Credit Card often comes with a high annual fee, so it's best for people who can leverage the rewards and perks. To qualify, you usually need an HSBC Premier banking relationship, which may require a minimum deposit or balance. The surprising truth is that this card isn't for everyone. If you rarely travel or don't spend enough to earn meaningful rewards, you might not get value from the annual fee. But for regular travelers, the combination of points, transfer options, and travel perks makes it a strong choice. In conclusion, the HSBC Premier Credit Card is best for high spenders and frequent travelers who want flexible rewards and premium benefits. Make sure you understand the requirements and fees before applying, but if used correctly, it can be a very rewarding card. Subscribe for more honest credit card reviews to help you make smart financial decisions.